Oh.
Pull. Pull.
Pull.
Oh, good shot, Mom.
Hey, what's up, friends? In this video, we're going shooting.
And then you always get, like, if it's not your turn to shoot, you're watching other people, so you know where they're going. And that's pretty much it. And I can keep score for the most part.
It's cool.
Oh.
So Matt, what kind of shooting are we doing today?
Oh, just some good old sporting plays.
So how does sporting clay work?
Well, you start out by looking at what you got out here. Trapper traps it, hits a button to launch your clay. You say you think you shot, bang, and then you shoot number 2. So kind of like this. Pull. Bang. That's it. Except for you hit them.
So with a little gun safety, some family and friends, it makes for a really fun day. We're at this station. I thought this is a good place to stop and just let you guys know, if you have anything that you want prayer for, leave it down in the comments. We get to each and every one of those and we'd love to pray for you. So friends, we're back into it.
Mom, this time we're going to do the rainbow road.
Now this one here is going to go up and
Okay.
up down.
Pull.
You blew it away, Mom.